Today we're going to make strawberry banana parfait. You need whipping cream, strawberries, and bananas. To make it, whisk 1 cup of whipping cream and 1 cup of sugar together. Then slice strawberries and bananas. Third, layer the parfait. First cream, then strawberry, then banana, then strawberry, and layer it until you're ready. After that, time to enjoy. Are you ready to make parfait? I know I am. Let's get started. Let's start with the whipping cream. Mix 1 cup of cream with 1/3 cup of sugar. With a whisk, mix your whipping cream and your sugar together. You want it to be very fluffy. If you don't have a whisk, you can also use a mixer. Now it's time to slice our strawberries and bananas. You can make them into 1 centimeter thick slices, or thicker if you like. Now it's time to make the parfait. First, put down some of the whipped cream. Then you can layer the strawberries and bananas on top. You can do this many ways. In this scene, I am layering them 1 piece at a time. You can also scoop out the bananas and strawberries and make a layer like that. Now that we're on our final layer, all you need to do is put all of the fruit on the top with a little bit of whipped cream at the end. Now, doesn't that look delicious?